the subject tonight: restoration by joy. Restoration by joy. I didn't say restoration of joy. I said restoration by joy. There is the restoration that comes when joy is in place. There's the restoration that God releases when He finds a joyful person. So there is restoration by joy. I'd like us to understand this, brothers and sisters. In the realm of the Spirit, nothing confirms your victory like your joy. Nothing confirms your relevance like your joyfulness. Nothing announces your victory like your joy. Because every time the devil finds a joyful person, it confirms to him he has lost. So regardless of what you are going through, if you maintain a joyful position, regardless of what is happening around you, you maintain a joyful disposition, is an announcement and a confirmation to the devil that in your case he has lost it again. Can someone say amen there? By the encounter here today, may your joy be restored. Maybe you need joy in that marriage, maybe joy as a businessman, maybe joy in the family. As we praise God here today, I see joy returning back. I see joy returning back. I see joy returning back. Can I get a loud amen?